Hello, D-Pitty here. Also, Itty Pitty's here, and Lucky. We are at the Cup Noodle Museum. I had a couple friends who've been here before. It's pretty interesting. You gotta make your own cup noodles and do all these other little activities, but it's basically the museum of the cup noodles. Fun fact, it's not cup of noodles, it's not cup o noodles, it's just cup noodles. There was another activity called chicken noodle cup or chicken cup noodle, but we came late. This guy here had too much fun at the Upon Man Museum, and he got very hungry. So we ended up buying him some udon noodles, and we came a little late for our reservation. But it's fine. We were able to buy tickets, so we're able to walk inside. So we're still able to go visit the place. Don't know what to really expect. I just know there's noodles and stuff. So I guess I'll go ahead and show you guys what's inside the Cup Noodle Museum. This lobby place. If you guys ever been to like an art gallery of some kind, but yeah, we're just waiting. Our time is at 3. It's currently 2:30, so we're gonna chill for about 30 minutes before we go inside. Again, Japan is still very, very strict with COVID and everything. You have to come in and wear a mask. You have to sanitize. They do recommend staying 6 feet for social distancing, but I don't think anyone really follows that. I mean, we got here in a really cramped train, but yeah, everything else is still very COVID aware. So yeah, you still have to pre-register. They want to make sure this place isn't overpacked. Now we gotta wait. We're just chilling. Just chilling.
Later.
It looks like in 1971, the cup design that we all know and love was made. I think. I don't know. We don't have a tour guide or anything. I'm just guessing. In 1958, the very first instant noodle cup ramen was invented. I think. How does one eat instant noodle in space? Well, watch this.
Inside. Leave it outside and cover it so bugs don't get in. This will be a huge pot of oil.
Touch a couple noodles, Ness.
You did.
Do it again.
One. That's what I at the helicopter.
So we saw most of the Cup Noodles Museum. Pretty cool. I really like some of the art that was there. Pretty interesting. Unfortunately, A lot of the very, very descriptive stuff was in Japanese, but they summarized it in about a sentence in English, so I kind of understood the most of what they were trying to say through the history of cup noodles. Pretty nice. And now we are doing a build your own cup noodle. So it's called My Cup Noodles. We're gonna have him create his own little cup noodle thingy. And yeah, so there's like markers and a bunch of things to decorate it, and he gets to make his own thing. You pretty excited to have your own cup noodle?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Different, huh? It's a nice cup. It's a very nice cup. And this is my cup noodle factory. It's not oh, there's one.
Not other people.
Yeah, this is gonna be ours. Yeah, you can both hands actually. You both hands this. And then the month is 12. Good. And then 12 right in the middle right there. Perfect. And then today's 23rd, right?
Yeah.
23. Voila.
Wow.
Wow.
All right, so he made his all colorful. I didn't know what to do with mine, so I just ended up doing a 4-star Dragon Ball with some effects. And Lucky here is actually making hers pretty great. She's adding a bunch of Studio Ghibli stuff to hers.
And Christmas edition.
It's Christmas edition Studio Ghibli. I haven't done yet.
She's finishing her
He's
Princess
gonna do
Mononoke.
Naruto.
Yeah. Oh, she made Calcifer. There's a Calcifer and
Mononoke Hime and then
yeah.
Totoro.
Totoro. But yeah, she's finishing Mononoke Hime, Princess Mononoke. So after they're done, we're gonna go up and get our cup ramen full of ingredients and stuff. Yeah. So Lucky, would you like to show your final? No. Come on, show it off.
So we start Christmas edition. Totoro. More Totoro. Mononoke with the little tree spirit. Spirited Away with the bath tokens. Calcifer and the dial. And then Laputa from Castle in the Sky. It's fun.
Hers looks actually really good. I love the references. Can you explain your cup?
So this is Goku, this is Naruto. He does Rasengan, he does Kamehameha, and then when everyone, this is the 5-star Dragon Ball, and this is the 4-star Dragon Ball. And this is present, and this is a present, and I just colored this.
Like talk.
Hey, can you explain what's on your cup?
Yeah, so this is Naruto, this is Goku, and this is the Rasengan, and this is the Kamehameha, and it went everywhere. And this is the 5-star Dragon Ball, this is the 4-star Dragon Ball, and this is a present, and this is a present, and I just drew black stuff, and I just colored this in.
Wow.
This is my name.
Nice.
Good job. High five. Yeah. Keep the lid. You didn't tell me at all.
ではこちらのカップからハンドル矢印の方に6回回してください。
Ready?
どうぞ回してください。1回、2回、
Oh, keep going.
3回、4回、5回。きれいになりました。けど、2、3、4、5。きれいになりました。リングお隣のカウンターの前で。
The regular one, right? これ。
アルコール消毒お願いします。
This is not cool. You picked 4.
黄色の円パッケージです。
That's not it. これ。And then number
ではこちらのお客様から
ネギお願いします。
買います。
What's one more?
1回、2回、3回、4回。
And then we're gonna watch. It's gonna soak it. Ready?
こちらの透明のフィルム、今はぬかぬかです。赤い部分が入っていますので、最後の場合は20度になっていますので、フィルムが何枚ですか？フィルムがはい。世界に
Yay! Show the camera. Show the camera.
That's so cool! Okay, so you get one bag, right? Get your bag. Let's follow instructions. So find the part with the little tab facing up here. Face up, this way. Exercise this. Oh, it's getting chunky. We got our bags. Ramen bags.
We're done doing the Cup Noodle Museum stuff. It was nice. It was nice. 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was actually really fun. I enjoyed it, and they made it a really fun experience. Everyone was very like, yeah, you can do it. Oh, there he goes. Hello.
Yeah, now we're just chilling outside. It's pretty good weather. I mean, it's cold, but it's nice,
Charlie.
chilly,
You wanna
clear
see the-
skies,
yeah,
and yeah, we
nice.
have a nice view of the water, so it's nice. We'll go wander around and figure out what to do. Thanks for watching. Bye.